Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I'm looking for a dress.
Of course. Do you have a style or color in mind?
I would like a blue dress. Something simple.
We have many blue dresses. Do you prefer short sleeves or long sleeves?
Short sleeves, please.
All right. Here are some dresses in your size. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, I would. Where is the changing room?
The changing room is at the back near the mirror.
Thank you. I will try these on.
I like this one. It fits very well. It looks great on you. That one is made of cotton. Very comfortable. How much is it? It's $45. Today, we have a 10% discount. Oh, that's nice. Do you have the same dress in red? Yes, we do. Let me get it for you. I like both. Can I buy two? Absolutely. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. And can I pay with a credit card? Yes, we accept all major cards. Great. Thank you so much for your help. You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Hello, welcome. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please. It's a bit hot outside.
Of course. Here's a table by the window. Here is the menu.
Thank you. Can I see the drinks menu too?
Yes, here you go. Would you like some water to start?
Yes, a glass of cold water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a chicken sandwich with fries.
Would you like it spicy or mild?
Mild, please.
Any drinks?
Yes, I'll have an orange juice.
Great. It will take about 15 minutes. Here is your chicken sandwich and fries and your orange juice.
Thank you. It smells good.
How was your meal?
It was delicious, thank you. The sandwich was very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like dessert?
What do you have?
We have chocolate cake, fruit salad, and ice cream.
I'll have a small fruit salad, please. Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, here it is. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
Card, please.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. The food and service were excellent.
Thank you. We hope to see you again soon.